welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wash day, so yeah, let's get into this video. My hair is looking hella dry and she a little tangled, don't judge me. So I'm going to section my hair in 4 sections, and each section I am going to detangle it. This makes it easy, so when I apply the rice water, I can get my whole head, I can get every area, I'm not missing nothing. I find that when you just spray it on your head, sometimes you miss like in the middle of your head. So I just like to section it in 4 sections so that way I can get my scalp and I can work it in my hair and it's saturated all over. Moving on to my rice water. I apologize you guys if you hear a humming sound. That is my heater. It's freezing in here. But anyway, so I did a video on the proper way to make rice water. If you haven't seen it, you should go check it out. I made 2 jars, and one of the jars I used 2 weeks after I made it, and then this one is the second jar, which I let it ferment a little bit longer. I let it ferment for a month. And yeah, so I work section by section. So I'm taking this first section and I'm breaking that section into 3. I used to just do all 4 sections one by one, but I find that when I break up each section, I'm able to saturate my hair a little bit more and able to get the product in my hair a little bit more better than just saturating 4 sections at a time. So that's just a piece of advice if you want to do the brown water, especially if you have kinky and coily hair. It's just better to do it that way. And I'm literally going to repeat the same step for the other 3 sections of my hair. So now that I'm done saturating my hair, I'm just going to take a plastic bag, or you could take a shower cap as well too. I don't have any shower caps. Well, I have one, but it's for my deep conditioning. But anyway, you could just take a plastic bag or a shower cap and you let it sit in your hair for 25 minutes. No need to go under the dryer. Also, this can be a little messy, so if you want to do it in the shower, you can. I just don't know what you're going to do for 25 minutes in the shower to wait. But I usually have like a washcloth or a towel over me, so that way if I'm dripping, I could just pat my face down or wipe it off. So I let the rice water sit for 25 minutes, and you guys, my hair feels so nice and soft. But yeah, oh my god, I love this stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse out the water. I try not to have the water too hot, kind of like lukewarm. And this makes my shampooing process so much easier and smoother. I feel like with shampoo, sometimes my hair gets a little dry and it kind of tangles a little bit. But with the rice water, it keeps my hair detangled. So I love this process. So I'm going to use this Guerlain hair. This is their apple cider vinegar rinse. And I like to use this to kind of help clean my scalp and open up those pores, so that way when I shampoo and condition, I can get those products into the scalp. This is really good. This is good to even use if you want to do a co-wash, kind of like lift all that dirt out of the scalp. But yeah, this is really, really good. Like, your scalp feels so nice and clean, and when the wind hits it, it's like a breath of fresh air. Like, I'm telling you guys, you should try this. It's really, really good. For shampoo, I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. I do like this brand and this line that they have. I also have tried the conditioner. They have a serum as well. So yeah, it's really good. So I'm just working that product in. I know it looks like I have no shampoo at the bottom of my head right there where my neck is at, but I do have shampoo there, okay? And then I'm just gonna rinse that shampoo out of my hair. For conditioner, I'm using the Main Choice. This is their Tropica Moringa, and this is good for growth and retention. I do like their, I like the conditioner. I haven't used Main Choice in so long, but the beauty supply store didn't have any more of the TGIN Miracle Strengthening Conditioner, so I went with this. And I'm just gonna rinse this out of my hair, and as I'm rinsing, I'm also detangling with my fingers. So I'm using this DIFeel Biotin Pro Growth Mask, and this is my first time using it, and I actually really do like it. It's very moisturizing, and when I washed it out, like my hair felt really good. But yeah, so I started using their oil. They have a biotin oil, and I like that oil. I feel like when I take my hair out, it does feel, not, I don't want to say thick, but it feels like strong. I can't explain it, but my hair just feels nice and moisturized. So yeah, if you guys want to try it out, I say why not try it out. But I'm sectioning each part. I'm doing 4 sections, and I'm working the product in. Like I said in the beginning, I feel like when you have coily and kinky hair, it's better to section your hair out when you're doing a mask, because that way you could get the mask or the deep conditioner, whatever it is, treatment, all like everything in your hair. You're not gonna miss anything. And I apologize for the angles, you guys. Yeah, I'm so sorry. But I put the conditioner in, and now I'm using this deep conditioner mask, and I'm gonna let it sit for 7 minutes. You don't have to let it sit for that long. The jar says 7 to 10 minutes. So I let it sit for the 7 minutes, and now I'm just gonna wash this out. And you guys, my hair was so soft, so I don't know if it's the mixture. Obviously it's the rice water, because it does help. And one thing I noticed about the rice water is that my hair does not shed after I put it in. Prior to me using rice water, my hair used to shed a lot. And you know, sometimes I was like, oh, it's probably nothing, because you know, when you have protective styles, you don't get to comb your hair, so that's all like the fallout coming out. But yeah, I was like, this is too much. So when I started using the rice water, it helped with the shedding. So I'm going to continue to use the rice water for a little bit longer, and I'll let you guys know like if I see any hair growth. But as far as like making my hair strong and not letting it and not having it shed, the rice water definitely works. And this mask was really good too, even because you know, normally my mask I leave on for 45 minutes because I don't have a dryer, but for only leaving this on for 7 minutes, it actually did the job really well. But I'm gonna see if it's gonna also help with growth, because it does advertise growth as well. So I'm gonna section my hair in 4 sections because I am going to blow it out. And I'm going to blow it out on cool air. I don't like to blow my hair out in low or high heat. That damages your curls and it damages your hair. So I mean, yes, it takes a little bit longer to do it with cool heat, but it's way better to do it with cool than it is to do it with low and high heat. I'm gonna add some oil to my hair. Not gonna really add product because I'm getting my hair braided, and I don't really like to add a lot of product when I am doing cornrows. Box braids, yeah, but even then I don't like to add too much product because I just don't like my hair to have all that buildup. So yeah, that's why I normally just do oil and maybe a leave-in conditioner, but that is about it. And this is it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to follow me on all social media platforms. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.